Hi everyone, welcome back to M.A.J. Customs. I'm Amanda and let's get right into this video. Today we will be doing an image on the HTVRONT dark fabric transfer paper. And in this video you will be needing the HTVRONT fabric paper as well as an inkjet printer, and then depending on what machine you'll be using to cut, we have both Cameo 4 and Cricut Maker, but today I will be using the Cricut Maker so I could do a print and cut. Okay, and these images will be going on some kids shirts. One will be 100% cotton and it's going to be black, and the other one is going to be from Walmart. It's a Wonder Nation, so that one is 60% cotton and then 40%, I believe it's recycled polyester. So I will be showing you what both of those t-shirts with the image looks like. Okay, so let's get into this video. Okay everyone, so here we are in the Cricut design space. I'm going to go ahead and delete this though, and I'm going to walk you all through the process of how I did this. So I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. Okay, so this is my picture right here, and I purchased this off of Etsy. I believe you can find these type of images if you type in swag or if you type in swag or graffiti PNG pictures, I believe. Okay, so first things first, you're going to click onto your Cricut Design Space canvas, and then we're going to go to upload. I already uploaded here, but if you want to go in, it's going to ask you to drag and drop file here. We can open this up, and my image is right here. It says Cool Panda, so we just click on that, and once you click on that, it's going to ask you to open up. Okay, you can't see what I'm doing down here, I'm sorry. It's going to ask you to open up just like right there, and then it's going to take you over into this area. All right, and if it doesn't take you to this area, it may take you to something like this, and then you just click on your image and then click on it's going to tell you to add the canvas down here in the corner. So once you click on your image, it's going to ask you right down here, add the canvas. Okay, so that's all you're going to do, and then it'll open you up in the canvas space. All right, so we don't have to do this, so I'm going to go ahead and just go back. Let me get out of here, go to cancel. Oh, okay, I don't know where my panda went, so I'm just going to re-upload it. Here we go. Click on it, add the canvas, and you'll get something like this. This is really big, but I'm going to shrink it, and because I got two t-shirts that I'll be doing, one is a 4T. That one I'm just going to make the image a 6.5 by 6.5. And again, if you want to go up here to the top, if y'all could see, it lets you change the size. Okay, so I'm just going to unlock this and make my image a 6.5 by 6.5. And this one will be going on the 4T. All right, and our paper image size, I think it's 8.5 by 11, y'all. Okay, it doesn't say it on the packaging, so yeah, normally it's 8.5 by 11. All right, so this is what we have. That's fine. And then over here, it's going to ask you to make it. All right, so we're just going to go ahead and click. Oh, and we don't mirror. Remember, we're not mirroring, so just know which way your printer is going to print the image, and I will show you my printer. You should get something like this. Okay, and over here it's asking to change your media size, if you all could see that. Okay, I guess I can just go ahead and do the 8.5 by 11 right here where it says letter, because that's the page, that's the paper size that we'll be using, so it'll only be right to use 8.5 by 11, which is fine. All right, so they changed the matte settings right here, just like so. Okay, so now all we're going to do is go down here, bring you all down so you can see, and I'm just going to hit continue. Okay, now it says it's going to give you this right here to send to printer. All right, For this computer, Bluetooth. Oh, I have to turn my, I'm sorry. I have to turn my Cricut on. My Cricut machine, y'all. Apologize for that. So I just have to let, there it goes. Now it's picking it up. Because I have my Cricut Maker Bluetooth to my computer. So I have to wait for it to connect. Okay, so here we go. And then I'm just going to go over and hit print. Okay, you guys, so right before I go to print, I am going to turn on the Use System Dialog in Cricut. Right before you print. Alright, so it should be coming through. I'm sorry, I just had to finish the process of the print. Okay, and be careful when grabbing your image because you don't, again, want to smear your ink. Oh my God, but look at that, y'all. That's so cute. So I'm going to let this dry, and then we're going to go upload it into the Cricut Maker, okay? So I will be back. Okay, so right before I can actually print out the image, or I'm sorry, cut out the image, I have to go back over to the computer and put in the settings for the cut. Okay, so this is what the screen should look like. And now we are going to just hit more for pressure. All right, and then it's asking to load tools and material, which we've already done so. And for the material set, it's going to be everyday iron-on. Okay, so now you should get something like this, you guys. You should have your arrow blinking. All right, now I'm about to just sit my camera down and continue to let this thing go. All right, so I inserted it. And now it's just going to go ahead and it's going to read the registration lines. Oh, I'm sorry, my light is blinking over here if you guys could see. And that's letting me know to go ahead and it's going to get ready to make it cut. I'm sorry. So here it goes, reading the registration marks. Let's see if I can pick y'all up over. Just like so. Okay, it's just finalizing it on the computer screen. And now it's just getting ready to cut. It's starting to cut, y'all. And if you guys don't want to sit through the whole cutting process, I understand because it's loud. So if you guys want to, I get if you fast forward this part. I just wanted to show you all the whole part of how it does the cutting. Okay, you all, so it is done cutting. It was a little like longer process of the cutting, so I did just cut some of the footage, but it's already done cutting. And now I'm going to take you over to the table so we can get ready to weed it, okay? Okay, everyone, so here we are. I'm about to take it off the mat. And go ahead and just weed it. Let's see what we get. Okay, okay. Oh, it looks so cute, y'all. I like. And it's very soft. If y'all want to know, it's very, very soft. And this is what it turned out like. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and go over to the heat press machine, and I'm going to put the lines down the middle of my t-shirts in the front like I normally do, and I'll be back. Okay, so here we go. I just hope that the mask doesn't get in the way of this being pressed, because normally they just peel it up off the backing and then put it on there. So I'm just going to find the center for this. All right, I think that's cute, just like so. I want a little space down here because I think I'm going to add like a name, like swag or something down here at the bottom. All right, so we are going to press this at 320 degrees, and I have my heat press at 16 seconds, but it says 10 to 15 seconds. All right, and I have a firm press, so I'm going to let it count down, and then I'll be back. Okay, you guys, here we go. Now, I don't know if this is a hot or cool peel. I don't recall seeing it. But it looks like maybe I should let it cool down because it looks like it's lifting. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to give it another press because this little corner is lifting. Not so much this part, but this little corner. So I'm going to give another press real quick and then I'll be back. Okay, so I let it cool. You guys, I hope it worked. If not, I'm going to be so disappointed. Because again, the only reason I put the mask on here because all these little individual pieces, I just didn't know, I didn't want to peel. But it looks like it's doing good. Some of my black came up off of the image. So again, I think it came out cute. This is on 100% Gildan cotton shirt. So I guess I wouldn't recommend the mask if the ink is going to lift off of it. But it looks like it goes with the shirt. All right, so I have another one I'm going to do. And that one is going on the Wonder Nation size 6 to 7. So I'm going to show you guys at the end what they both come out looking like, okay? Okay, I just want to show you all for the second one. I went ahead and just peeled it up off of the paper. I am going to go in though and piece these little pieces around it together. Okay, so I'm just going to do this one the best that I can and center it, okay? Okay, you guys, so this is the second one that I did on the Wonder Nation Walmart one. Now, this image, you all, I went in and I individually peeled these splatter spots and I placed them on the shirt as good as I could just by looking at the other image that I have. And I did not use the what do you call it, the paper to lift it, the mask. I didn't use the mask. Okay, so I just placed it, the image, I peeled it and pieced it together under the heat press. So if you don't want to piece the image together, then find one that will just do a whole cut outline, or maybe if I'd have offset it, but I still would have had some white. If I'd have did an offset, it would have went around the whole image and I would have had a white, still some white in the background there. And I didn't want that. So I'm okay with this though. They came out really cute. All right, so let me turn you all around. Okay, this is what they look like. And again, I may go in and add something right here on the bottom. Find the right, just a regular heat transfer vinyl. Okay. So this is the Wonder Nation. Real soft, real smooth. And this is 100% cotton by Gildan. And it also is smooth. Alright, so I ended up liking both of them. And I wanted to show you all the difference between, you know, the cotton shirt. And this one is 60% cotton. I'm almost certain it's 60% cotton and 40%. Okay, 60% cotton and 40% recycled polyester for the Wonder Nation. So yeah, I hope you guys like these cute little kid shirts. And if you do, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And I will see you all in the next video. Stay blessed. Bye. Okay, you all. So I did go in real quick and put a word on the shirt under the image. I went into my Silhouette Studios using my Cameo 4 print and cut just to do the words. And I did the words in different colors. That way I don't waste the paper and I can go back in and maybe find a similar image, maybe with a different color background. And if so, I already have the words cut out for it. So again, I would not recommend using a mask because your ink will come up on there. So I hope this video was informative. I did this one on the Wonder Nation Walmart t-shirt, and the other one, which is I'm getting ready to press, is right there. And this one is for sure 100% Gildan cotton. Okay, so you guys can see that. But this one is 100% cotton, and this is the one that the image lifted. I mean the ink lifted on. Sorry, lifted up on. All right, so I hope you guys like this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.